Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers, A, B, C is 6 and D is 8. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. In this expression, we have this bracket, which is 20 divided by 7 minus 2, which becomes 5, multiplied by 3 and divided by 6, multiplied by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Now move forward, step number 1 we have solved. Now step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. But in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. What we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first of all, we have 20 divided by 5. First, we have to solve this one. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, the rule is same. First, we have to divide the 20 divided by 5. It becomes 4. Multiply by 3, we will write here as it is. And divided by 6, multiply by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Now move forward. Now again, we have to go left to right and repeat the same step. So now this time we have the multiplication sign, which is 4 multiplied by 3. So first of all, we have to solve this one, not 3 multiplied by 6. First of all, we have to solve this one. So 4 3 is 12 divided by 6 multiplied by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. Now again, we have to go left to right and follow the same step. Now this time we have 12 divided by 6. We have to solve this one, which it becomes like 2 multiplied by 2. And here we have to give the reference 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Now move forward, we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 4. So the answer of the given expression is 4. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.